Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. I've been sent this, well, first of all, they emailed me to ask me if I'd like to test this because I've done a couple of videos of fitting security cameras to our cabin at work. We're a garage and CCTV is very important, really. However, because we have a porta cabin, all we've got is cameras facing out because the power's in the cabin, but we've got a really long forecourt. And been trying to figure out a way around it. Anyway, however you pronounce this, people always send me things that I can't pronounce. I think it's AOSU, anyway, it's AOSU. So they emailed me and asked me if I wanted to try or test a solar powered wireless security camera. And this is it. So they've sent me this, the instructions, of course, which we don't want. And this is the camera. So it's wireless. My plan is, there's a couple of things. There's a little sticky pad that wherever you're going to fit the camera to, you stick that on, then drill through the holes. So the box, this is the camera. And it's a really, really well made thing. So that's it. Solar panel, and then you've got these aerials, the transmitters. Now, I'm going to put my glasses on for this because it's a bit, let's see. In here, if you can see, let's see, hopefully you'll be able to see there. So we've got a little slot for an SD card. Then on off on the right hand side. I'm not even sure what that is on the left hand side. So it looks like we're going to have to read the instructions. What does it say? Reset button, micro SD card slot and power, USB-C port, and also speaker. So the speaker, where's the speaker going to be? It's going to be there. So let's just see if we can switch it on. So the on-off switch is on the right. So if I press that for a few seconds, see what happens. 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
Hello to you. So there you go, it's switched on. Now I need an app. Now I noticed on here, what does that say? SolarCam Classic model. So that looks like it's there. I won't show it you, otherwise you'll be able to log in. But that looks like it's the details of the camera. So in here we go to App Store. Here we go. Download the AOSU app from the App Store. So let's see. Let's just put this on and we'll record. So here we go. So we go to App Store there. Actually, I don't need to go to App Store, do I? I need to go to Camera. Go to Camera, focus on there like so, open in Chrome. The site is trying to open another application. There you go. So that's all we need to do. I've already downloaded it, but I deleted it for this. So there we go, we click that. That's downloading. And I have to say, while we're waiting for this to download, I am really impressed with the build quality of this. And also, I didn't think it would work. I didn't think it would hold enough power to power it through the night, and it does. So it gets enough daylight, even in the UK and the way it's been the last couple of weeks, gets enough power to power it right through the night as well. There's a light on it. I'll show you anyway. So we open that. Would like to send you notifications, so allow. Log in. Yep, it's remembered me. It's just, I've set it before, so it's got my face. And then you have to set the country or region, the phone number. There we go, log in. Add devices. Please scan the QR code on the device home base with your phone. Please make sure your device is powered on. It is. Yeah, it's blue. If you're using the device with the home base, please scan QR code. We'll do this again. Ready to scan.
Please scan the QR code on the device or home.
I hear hello. Press and hold the that's what I'm doing wrong. Press and hold the RST button at the bottom for 5 seconds until the blue light flashes and the prompt tone sounds and the camera begins to wait for Wi-Fi connection. That's why. So 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. The blue light starts. It says shing here, but I'm sure it means flashing. There we go. It's thinking about it. Here we go now. So that's my select 2.4 gigahertz Sky Wi-Fi password. So I've just done that. Done. Continue. Confirm.
The camera is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. It may take a moment. Please wait for a while.
I mean,
Phone settings successfully.
that is absolutely fantastic. It's taken no time at all. So connected successfully. Continue. I'm going to call it front. I'm going to call it front door. Recommended front door. Done. I don't want smart cloud storage. There is an SD card in there, so skip that. And then continue. Click the card zone to view real-time video. So if I click that, I'll just click continue first. Click playback, enter video playback to ensure home security. Continue. Front door. Right, so we press that. I'll turn that down. I mean, that is absolutely fantastic. It's so quick and easy to use. Here we go. Tap tone to speak with a male voice. Got it. There, and it's telling me there's motion. It's already picked up motion at the front door, so it's picked me up. Continue. Got it. I don't want any of these things. Continue. Got it. Got it. That's it. I mean, that's a horrific sight. But if I do this, if I click 360, start looking round. There you go. So it's patrolling on its own. You've got ultra high definition there. Front door detected, somebody's appearing. We'll put on UHD. Just, that's looking up at my camera. Yep, there we go. Try and get me straight. What else has it got? Motion at your front door. So I can take a video, I can edit, that's the speaker's knocked off, I can talk. Hey, what you doing? So you can speak to anybody as soon as you get a notification. Alarm. So you set an alarm, or you can notify people that on the forecourt or wherever that they've been noticed. Illumination. There you go. I'll just show you that. So I can switch on a light. It's a marvelous thing. It really is a marvelous thing. Click anywhere on the picture to turn the camera. So if I click there, I'm going to click got it. So click like so. There you go. Turns round. I mean, if you just see that, look, watch it. You can see it turning. Or I can do it like so. That's the light, illumination. Knock that off. Tone. Don't know what that is. Knock that off again. More. So then we go more, voice alert, calibrate, tracking. We can switch on tracking, tracking activated. So if I, again, put this here, and then we turn it round, I'm sure it will notice me. If you're in live video, or quit, continue. So, got settings, camera on, share device. That's another thing. I can share the device with anybody. It's tracking me now. There you go. Look, it's yep, it's tracking me all right. Motion detection enabled, auto alarm disabled, notification settings, cloud recording, general settings, video, audio, 2K mode or smooth mode. Well, I want the best. I want the best quality, so we'll automatic switching based on ambient light levels. The screen becomes black. White light aided illumination, suitable for circumstances when there are other constant light sources around. The screen becomes colourful after it's turned on, and the white light is on when the motion detecting is triggered. Turn off the infrared light. No, we don't want that. Two-way speaker. It records sound. I mean, I have to say that it's absolutely brilliant. I'm so pleased with it. I'm going to put it up on our sign, which faces the cabin. Oops, dropped my glasses. Yeah, I'm going to put it on up on our sign, which faces the cabin, because the others, as I say, all face out of the cabin. What I want is to be able to see the cabin and anything coming from the back, anything on top, anybody trying to get in, and I want an alert, not just for vandals or potential thieves, but for customers who are looking around the forecourt, want some information on a car. I mean, I can speak to them on my day off. I know for a fact there's somebody going to have a look at a van today, and John and myself are off on Sundays. If this camera was up there, I'd just be able to say hello to them and have a two-way conversation with them. But it is. That's brilliant. And as I've tested it in the office, it's been in the office pitch black all night after being in the sun all day, and it lasts all night. So it's here we go. There you go. Just moving it from my screen, and I can just dial it up, switch it on, switch the app on, and watch what's going on. Well, I'm really pleased they've sent it me. To be honest, I could probably do with another 2 or 3 of these to cover the forecourt completely. Brilliant. The little bracket that comes with it, you just slide that on like so, screw it in, the bracket screws to whatever you want it to screw to, where you want to mount it, and then it's absolutely brilliant. So however you pronounce AOSU, if that's how you pronounce it, the people that sent it me, thank you very much. I really, really do think it's great. I'm not just saying that, it is great. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. So I'm not going to video this because that's the best ladder we've got, and I'm putting it up there. What could possibly go wrong? Don't try this at home. That's it. That's it fitted. And as you can see there, it's also tracking me. You see? And that is absolutely brilliant.